1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Transition. There you go. There you go. Reload. Drop that magazine. Put a new one in. It's okay. There you go. Reload. Put a fresh mag in. There you go. There you go. Reload. Put a fresh mag in. Put a fresh mag in. You're good. All right. There you go. You cleared a malfunction. That's good. Switch to your sidearm. You're good. You're already activated. You're out. Reload, reload, reload. There you go. You don't got to activate. You're already good. There you go. Boom. Good. Reload, 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 reload. They're killing you. There you go. There you go. Tap it. Tap it. There you go. Reload, 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 reload. They're trying to get you. They're trying to kill you. There you go. There you go. Boom. Reload, reload, reload. There you go. There you go. There you go. Put it in. Put it in. Put it in. I think that's it. You did pretty well. Pretty well. Considering this is your first time, I'm actually pretty impressed. Thing finally gave out. Finally, this thing's given out. You know, I've been shooting at it for months. You don't have a lot of recoil Pepperball, so when you're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you can reload while you're still going. Mm-hmm. And that's what I like to do personally. You know exactly what you're doing. Perfect. Okay, cover me while I reload. Okay, let's move up. Go, 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 float the zone. Like, comment, and subscribe, or else. Tell them to like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe, please. Thank you.
See you guys on the next one. Jordan, Jared, and Angel signing off.